Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Melanin Mafia, it's your favorite melanin queen back on the motherfucking scene. Y'all, I have Wingstop. I'm hungry. I'm ready to go in. I have fries with cheese here. I have some barbecue wings, and then I have corn. Now listen, this is a meal, and I have a sweet tea. It was $10, and I added the corn, and it went to $15. I'm like, how much is this one piece of corn that they done cut up into 4 pieces? And then it say 289. So how did it get to 15? Okay, so anyway, yeah, so I am starving. I am ready to dig in. I'm going to eat a little bit and then give a little story time. I am so hungry. I feel like she could have gave me more cheese. And y'all, I'm one of them people. I have to have ketchup with my fries. I just have to. I don't know. Y'all like my hat? It says melanin. I just realized I have the camera flipped upside down, so it's lower. We just rolling with it. It says melanin. I don't know why, but for some reason, every time I wear this hat, I always feel like Janet Jackson. And I feel like Janet Jackson. No, but I feel like Janet Jackson and what is the video? What's the video? What's the song? I can't think of it, but I just feel like I look like Janet Jackson. I don't know. Not like in the face and stuff like that, but I feel like all I need is like, yeah, I don't know. I'm doing too much. I need to eat. Y'all, people be going crazy over this corn. I said, let me finally try this corn. You know your body can't even break down corn. Like, we're not supposed to be eating corn. That's why, like, you see, like, a kid, like, you know, you give kids corn when they teething and stuff like that. But, you know, you give little kids corn, and when they do like whole pieces of corn. It's because your body doesn't break it down and break it down into little nothingness, so it's just come out in your doo-doo as much. Like, you gonna crap out what you put in. Like, I shouldn't be eating this. But overhyped. The seasoning is good, but it ain't like, oh, gotta get the corn. I actually hate when it be like that. People hype stuff up and you be excited to get and try it out. And then you try it and you be like, I could have had a V8. Like, It's nothing I would run to go get again. But I got the idea to get Wingstop. I don't know if y'all heard of her. Another YouTuber. Her name is Cuzzo AB. And she made the Wingstop. And it made me want some. I called in my order. So I wouldn't have to sit and wait for it. I get in there, my food ready. I'm like, all right, cool. My fries didn't have cheese on them, so I took them out the bag. I said, these fries are supposed to have cheese. Oh, did they charge me for cheese? Yes. Almost $1.90. But yeah, so she swiped my card. I guess it's not going through. I'm like, baby girl, the money is in there. Swiped again, don't go through. Swipe again, don't go through. All I had was $7 in cash. So I'm like, we're here, take the $7 in cash and then do the rest on the card, see if a smaller amount will go through. That didn't go through. Called my bank. They was like, no, you got money in your checking and your savings. It should be going through. We don't even see that it's reaching, like your card is being swiped. So I'm like, but what am I supposed to do? Like, they saying it's my card, you saying it's them. Like, what am I supposed to do? So the lady at Wingstop was like, she gonna call the NCR company to see what's what or whatever. I was like, okay, well, I'm just gonna go to the ATM because I know the money. Like, really? But yeah, so she called the people. I went to the ATM, got the cash, came back. My fries was coming up as soon as I was walking in. And she was still on the phone with the people, trying to get the with the machine or whatever. So I guess she was testing with her card, and she said hers went through. So then she got off the phone with the people, and they was like, they restarted the machine, and when it restarted, you know, hers worked. So I guess they just needed a restart or something. I don't know. But I don't appreciate having to go through all that extra for $15. Like, nigga, $15 on a card. Like, what the heck? Talk about it saying some SSL or something. I said, that sounds like a machine problem. Like, if my money went in there, I would think it said access denied, insufficient funds or something like that. Clearly the money is in there. This sounds like something going on with y'all network or something. No, it's not taking your card. This man just paid for his. I said, he paid with cash. She was like, oh, yeah, he did. I'm trying to play with me. Yeah, I don't eat the gristle, so, Some people be tearing up the gristle and stuff and crunching. Like, what kind of animal are you? I'm not eating that hard. Dang. I don't usually care for Wingstop. I think it might have been because I was getting the Parmesan, something, Parmesan whatever wings. Because this is not bad. I'm trying to get every little piece of meat. got a burp in there. Not coming up. I am so hungry. You ever eat and it doesn't register with your brain that you're putting food into your body? Like you still just be eating and still be super hungry? Like, excuse me. I don't really like home fries like this either. Like, I don't know, they still have like the skin and stuff on it. I don't like that. Fell on my pants. And what? So y'all, catch this. I may be on my way to LA for a television show. I don't know for sure just yet. Because I'm waiting for the lady to hit me back. We'll talk about like the flight and all this other kind of stuff or whatever, but listen. It's tea, honey. And I'll vlog when I go to LA, and of course when the show posts and all that other kind of stuff, I'll show it to y'all and tell y'all about it or whatever, so y'all can catch it. But listen, it's a whole lot. And it's still just kind of so weird that the people hit me up about coming onto the show. Like, I'm just like, what? How you get my information? Like, I didn't agree to have my information shared with you. Like, how you got my information? But I'll come and stuff, but still, how you get my information? So, I don't know. I'm waiting to hear back. And I got some. That fell on the floor. So, when I know all of everything, I'll let y'all know. But it's crazy. It's so weird that I'm about to be on a TV show. Like, it's weird. It's crazy. That was a good bite. So y'all, everybody, please pause this video right now and go and follow my Instagram. Instagram is everything first. Instagram gets things that I don't post on YouTube, like the real tea. So listen, follow my Instagram, because that's where it's just easier to post on Instagram or like Insta snapping and stuff like that. So I just post more there. So follow me on Instagram. It is Kiss My Melanin, but the E is a 3. It's in the description box. It's on my page. Follow my Instagram, I'm trying to tell you. Because I'll be snapping when I'm in LA, or Insta snapping, whatever you want to call it. I'll be Insta snapping when I'm in LA, and it'll be like behind the scenes stuff, and you'll see it like real time, as opposed to like once I vlog it and post it in a video. Cause my stuff I always post out, so like I just always post out. Like my videos are never real time, right? Oh, excuse me. It's never real time. Except when I did those mukbangs, but it was still the first couple ones were previously recorded, and then a couple, yeah. Anyway, follow my Instagram because I be doing too much explaining. But honey, when y'all get this shit, Jesus. Yeah, so I'm gonna finish eating because I know my battery's about to die or my memory's gonna be full or whatever. I'm gonna finish eating. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment, turn on your notifications, and follow my Instagram. Like how many times I got to tell y'all while you sleeping, you late. Sorry, I'm focused on this food, y'all. Trying to close out. But yeah, follow me on Instagram and I will catch y'all on the next one. Mwah.